Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to downgrade the OS on your Galaxy device. Whether you have Galaxy S20, S21, S22, it's going to work on any Samsung Galaxy phone. In this video I'm going to be using S20FE as an example. So one of my main reasons why I downgraded to OneUI 4.1 from OneUI 5.1 was because of I noticed that my device was heating more often, and also OneUI 5.1 screwed up my battery performance. I was getting 4 hours screen on time on a brand new phone. So I was searching on Reddit and I saw some people having the same complaints that the battery performance was downgraded after OneUI 5.1 update. So after going back from Android 13 to Android 12, which is Android 13 was based on OneUI 5.1, Android 12 is based on OneUI 4.1. This is me recording this video a few days later after running Android 12 OneUI 4.1 for 4 to 5 days, and yes, my battery life came back better. I was averaging around 7.5 hours screen on time, while on OneUI 5.1 I was getting 4 hours screen on time on a brand new Galaxy S20FE. So in this video I'm going to show you the steps on how I did the downgrade. Fortunately you have to have a PC to do this, and if you don't understand my accent, turn on the subtitle. And my videos are not scripted. I might make a mistake here and there. So anyway, first of all, you have to download these 3 things on my desktop here. The first things you have to have is install the Samsung USB driver. Second thing is Odin, which you're going to use to flash the ROM. Then the third thing is of course, your firmware. So I'm going to show you how to download the particular firmware of your Samsung device. So do note that this will work if you have S21 Ultra, S22, S23 and other Galaxy devices. Just follow the step and don't skip the video. Just follow the video to the end. Okay, to download your firmware, you have to go to this website, samfw.com, and put in the model number of your device. So I'm going to put the model number of my device, which is SM. When you put your model number on the website, it's going to complete it for you and show you the name of your device. So this is my model number here, the one with U1. I'm going to click on it. S20FE Fun Edition. So I'm going to scroll down. Make sure you select your exact binary number. If you don't know what binary number is, I'm going to put a link in the description where you can know your binary number, because I won't go through that in this video. So it's very, very important, because if you download a firmware that does not match with the binary number you have, Samsung won't let you to downgrade. So I have binary 9. So I'm going to link a video in the description so that you know the binary number which you have. When you now understand your binary number, you go to the bit and select whichever one you have. In my case here, I have 9. Now this website is going to show me all the firmware I can install. Another thing that is very important is to click and select your carrier. So these are different carriers here. I have US unlocked, AT&T, Samsung Galaxy S20FE. So I'm going to select ATT. To know this, you have to use your IMEI and check it online. You will know the carrier of the device you have. I also have a video on that, I will link it down in the description so that you go check it out. Because if you do the wrong thing, select the wrong firmware, you can't downgrade your Android device. So when you scroll down, it's going to show you all. Okay, after selecting AT&T United States, you can see it here. You have to go back and select the binary which we have. So now we just have to scroll down. It will show you all the available firmware for binary 9. I have Android 13, OneUI 5.1, and I want to downgrade to Android 12, OneUI 4.1. So what we're going to do now is to download the last version. To actually know that you have found out your perfect firmware, you are going to see your model number. You're going to see your model number, you're going to see your base version in that particular tab. This is my base version. Stop with WB3. If I go back in this website, you can see it over here, WB3. So this is the firmware, the exact firmware I'm currently using. So in my case, I want to downgrade. This one is Android 13, 13, 13, 12. So we're going to go way back and install the last, to download the last, the first Android 12 in this website. Click on this tiny icon. So when you get to this page, you just have to scroll down and click on the red one, download SAMFW server. Just wait for some seconds. You're going to see this pop up here. You can just close it, then click on download. Your firmware will start downloading, as you can see here. So now let's go to the PC and I'll show you how to flash it. Okay, just a quick reminder, if you have downloaded the April update, you won't be able to downgrade your software anymore. I'm going to show you in the software update section. It says it there. After updating, you will not be able to downgrade to the old software because of updates to the security policy. So if you have this April update installed, this tutorial won't work for you. So it's worth noting. The first thing you have to do is to install the Samsung USB driver, which is very important. That's the way the phone can communicate with your PC. I already have it installed on my PC, so I'm going to skip to the next part. So the next step is to extract Odin and also the firmware downloaded in the website, because it's going to come with a zip file, so you have to extract it. I'm going to fast forward the extraction process. So when you're done extracting the Odin files and the firmware which you have downloaded, you right click on Odin and run as administrator. Now the next thing you're going to do is to import the files which you have extracted, which is the firmware. There are different sections here, so I'm going to tell you what to do. These are the files which you've downloaded on the website. What you have to do is to select each of them. Select BL, the one that starts with BL. You import it in the first place, BL. click on CP, the one that starts with CP. You click on the firmware that starts with CP, the file that starts with CP. The CSC, you click on it. So you're going to choose CSC, not home. Home is when you want to install a firmware without wiping your internal storage. That's when you click on home, you select home. But in our case here, we are doing a downgrade. It is not recommended to use home because we are doing a downgrade. So we're going to click on CSC. Now the last one, which is AP. This one is the larger file. So it's going to take time to import. You click on AP and wait for it. This file is up to 7 gig, so it's going to take time to import the AP file. Okay, once Odin is done importing your AP files, the next thing you're going to do is to boot your Samsung device into download mode. If you don't know how to boot your Samsung device into download mode, I'm going to keep a video in the description that will guide you how to do that. And once you're in download mode, you plug in your Samsung device to your PC via USB cable. When you plug in your Samsung device to your PC, you're going to see an indicator there that your phone has been detected. If you don't see that, that means Odin has not seen your phone. And the next thing to do is to click on Start. Odin will start to flash your device with the firmware. This will take few minutes. In my case, it took like 5 minutes for everything to complete. Just have to wait for it. Don't touch your USB cable and be patient. So I'm going to fast forward the process. Once Odin has finished the flashing process, it's going to reset your device. And make sure you do a backup because a downgrade will always wipe your internal storage. Once you see the green color that says pass, you are now safe to unplug your device. Your device is going to auto reboot at this moment back to Android 12 OneUI 4.1. Okay, I've already set everything up. If I go to my settings, about phone, software information, you can see I'm on OneUI 4.1 based on Android 12. This is a way better experience than OneUI 5.1, which drains my battery. If you find this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing. That'll be all for this video. Signing off.